so you have a few.
Yes. That's it.
How fast are you?
I do in like 20 seconds.
I'm like 25 seconds, 30
Yeah,
seconds.
so close. Can I see yours?
Yeah.
Oh, I love the noise that it does. Like the little, yeah. Oh, I love it.
Do you want to race?
Done.
Okay, here we go. Grab your seats, folks. Grab your seats. Here we go.
Hello.
You're very beautiful. Who are
Thank you so much. I'm Ninah. I'm from Brazil and I'm 18.
Oh, bravo.
Brazil.
Ninah, why AGT?
Because it's like the biggest stage in the world. Always been my dream.
Aw, so happy that you're here tonight. And what do you do? What is your talent?
I sing and I'm gonna solve some cube for you guys.
Okay, go ahead, show us.
So I'm gonna try to do them as fast as I can, but I do better with some music. So can I have some music, please? Ever wonder about what he's doing? How we all turn the lights. Sometimes I think that it's better.
You did it.
Or you just getting And just because it burns doesn't mean you're gonna die. You gotta get up and try. Gotta get up and try. You gotta get up and try. Thank you. Oh my God.
Thank you, Ninah. Beautiful. Howie, what did you think?
I think it's amazing. A lot of people have mixed two different skills together. I can't even imagine mixing those two skills together. It's so original, so much fun. You are a beautiful young lady with a beautiful voice and an amazing, crazy skill.
Oh my gosh, that means the world. Thank you.
Simon says he thinks that you're so talented and so likable.
Oh my God.
Okay, we're gonna vote. Simon.
Thank you.
Howie.
You have 2 yeses.
Thank you. Third yes for me.
4 yeses.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.
Wow.
That was great. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Go celebrate.